Did you know aspirin tablets cause awesome growth of your houseplants? If you didn't know, watch this video. I will tell you its benefits and how you can use it for increased growth of your houseplants. As I told you, aspirin tablets cause increase of your houseplants growth. And in this video, I want to talk about its benefits and how you should use this tablet for increasing growth of your plant. Actually, the first and the most important benefits of aspirin tablet is for using cutting. When you take cutting of the plant for improve its rooting, you can use aspirin tablet. For using this tablet, you should use 1 liter of water. Actually, it's better to use lukewarm water, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and half of tablet aspirin. Actually 350 mg tablet. And this solution can improve rooting of your cutting. And the work you should do is, after making this solution, you should dip the cutting into the solution for 30 to 60 minutes and then plant the cutting in the soil. And if you do this, its rooting will increase and it will improve. And remember, just do this before putting the cutting in the plant, and just this. So remember, as I told you, before putting the cutting inside the soil, put it in the made solution for 30 to 60 minutes, and just is enough. And you will be really surprised after a while. You see how fast the roots will increase and how the cutting will root too fast. The other benefits of aspirin tablets is for seed germination. If you want to improve germination of your seeds, you can use tablet. Actually, for making this solution for increasing seed germination is using half of tablets, 350 mg, and 1 liter of water. Actually, after make the solution, spray the solution on seed a few hours before planting. This is really important. Before plant the seed, you should spray the made solution on the seed. And if you do this, as studies say, you can double increase of the germination. Another benefits of using aspirin tablet is for increasing growth of your houseplant. Actually, remember, in growing season like spring and summer, if you use a solution which contains aspirin tablet, it increases your houseplant growth. Using half of tablet with 1 liter of lukewarm water, and use this solution once every 3 weeks, as I told you, in growing season. And if you do this work, you can see how fast your houseplant will grow. Another benefits of using aspirin tablets is for cut flowers. Actually, when you cut a flower from your garden and you put it in a water or vase, if you use a half of tablet, actually, if you add half of tablet and dissolve it, half of tablet, actually 350 mg aspirin tablet in a water, it keeps your cut flower fresher, and it takes longer time to get wrinkled. So using half of tablet, actually solving half of tablet in the water, can be awesome and will surprise you. And you see, even it can be for 2 or 3 months, your flowers will be fresh and won't wrinkle. Guys, thank you for watching this video. We talked about the aspirin tablets benefits for growing your houseplant. Actually, as I told you, you can use it for cutting, actually increase rooting of your cutting, and you can use it for cut flowers, increase of your houseplant growth, and for seed germination. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to push subscribe button. Goodbye.